Hello, welcome to this RBC Mobile App tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the True House Affordability Calculator on the RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, go to the bottom right and press on More. On the More page, scroll down to Services, then Tools and Calculators. Press on that. Among the options, select True House Affordability. This will redirect you to a page where you can check how much house you can afford, whether you're buying your first home or your next home. Follow the prompts, select your situation, and proceed through the steps in the app. Choose whatever you want based on your needs. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to use the True House Affordability Calculator on the RBC mobile application. Interest rates, amortization periods, down payment strategies, property taxes, insurance estimates, credit score impact, income verification, debt-to-income ratios, savings contributions, pre-approval benefits, mortgage types, resale value, and historical price trends. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.